We are back again for our third and last game for this Saturday. It's the Bicol University Wolves versus the Universidad De Sta Isabel Falcons. This is the women's volleyball. Dito lang yan, live na live pa rin po sa Oragon Sports TV. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Reyes. And with me is Rick Cuarta.
Ayan, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa ating NCF Covered Court para masaksihan ang last game between the Wolves and the Falcons. So, unang paghaharap ng dalawang kupunan na ito, and yung USI Falcons is naglaro na nung last week and talo sila doon sa game nilang yan, and I'm sure na magbabounce back dito ang ating Universidad De Sta Isabel Falcons. Dito naman sa ating Bicol University Wolves, first time nilang maglaro dito sa ating Season 5 ng Bucal Women's Volleyball Division. So I'm so excited kung ano ba ang ipapakita nitong bago ng ating Bicol University Wolves, because on the previous season of Bucal, sila ang nagharap ng NCF Tigers sa championship at sila ay ang idineklarang first runner-up during that season.
Ayan nga, Rick, itong USI Falcons last weekend, nakalaban nila yung ating UNC Greyhounds kung saan medyo nga hindi naging maganda yung performance nila. Pero this time, kaabang-abang po ang laro nila dahil titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung na-improve nila for this matchup against the first runner-up, the Bicol University Wolves. At dito naman sa ating side ng BU Wolves, last season nga, sinabi mo nga, they're the first runner-up of our Bucal Season 4. At titignan natin ngayon kung andyan pa ba yung apoy sa kanilang paglalaro at aabangan natin kung ngayong hapon ba makukuha na nila ang kanilang unang panalo o ang USI Falcons ang magtatagumpay ngayong hapon.
Yan, talagang it's a big challenge for both teams kasi ang Bicol University Wolves is first time nilang maglaro ngayong season. On the other hand naman, makakalaban ng ating USI Falcons ang naging first runner-up during the Bucal Season 4. So, very exciting match na dapat abangan yung lahat dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At syempre, nakikita nga natin dito sa side ng Bicol University Wolves na merong mga additional players na dapat nating abangan all throughout the Season 5 of this Women's and Men's Division sa ating Bucal Volleyball. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng USI Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. Hi Angel, anong update dyan? Ayan, babalikan nga natin dito mamaya ang ating courtside reporter sa USI Falcons para makahingi tayo ng updates. And as you can see on our screen, nagwa-warm up na nga dito ang kanilang kupunan. Ayan nga, babalikan na natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Hi, Rick and Team. Flying afternoon to you guys, and that makes out to all our volleyball aficionados watching live via our Facebook page only here at Bucal Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Angel Bantag to Plano from Ateneo de Naga University, reporting live from the bench of the Lady Falcons for this matchup. As the Lady Falcons has a loss last game, they have prepared to be back and better for this matchup, aiming to lessen their service error and to improve their first ball. Without a doubt, they are confident that they will be able to implement the go attempt technique, aiming to hit the ball no matter what. But the vigorous question is, will they be able to steal the momentum and get the win on this matchup? Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel. Ayan nga dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Sabi nga dito ni Coach, babawasan nila yung kanilang error na nagawa nila during the game against the USI or the UNC Greyhounds. And of course, they are ready to dominate this game against the Bicol University Wolves. But on the other side, the BU Wolves, I think they are ready to conquer this Bucal Season 5 dahil nga meron na silang experience. Napakaganda na naging performance nila last season. Of course, they are named as the first runner-up last season. Nakalaban nila sa finals ang ating NCF Lady Tigers. At ngayon naman, titignan natin kung ano ba yung preparation nila for this season. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Team. Good afternoon, Bicolandia, at sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin.
Yan, babalikan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Ayan nga, pinag-uusapan natin, Rick, kanina, yung ating BU Wolves. Napakaganda ng performance last season. At ngayon, may mga bagong players ang dumagdag sa team na ito. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung maiaambag nila para maging mainit at maganda yung laro nila ngayong hapon na ito.
Yan, pinag-usapan nga natin dito tinang Bicol University Wolves. And Bicol University Wolves is known for their veterans here. Andito nga si Balderrama at kitang-kita nga natin dito ang kanyang leadership inside the court. Siya ang nagsisilbing shining armor dito para sa ating Bicol University Wolves na dapat abangan pa rin natin dito kasi nakikita ko dito sa side natin na andito siya ngayon maglalarong hapon.
Ayan nga, Rick. Kaya super excited na tayo for this matchup this afternoon at para makahingi tayo ng update again on their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolandia. At sa lahat ng nakatutok pa rin sa atin live at One Media, TV48-Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the third game for this afternoon. It is a matchup between the BU Lady Wolves and the USI Lady Falcons. For their first game this season, the BU Lady Wolves are really prepared for this game. Everyday training, yan ang kanilang naging preparations for this season. Even there are a lot of rookies who will play this season individually is ready to contribute to their team. According to team captain Shine, Coach Francis really trusts on their capabilities. They are always reminded to always know their role inside the court. And as the team captain, he continuously reminds the team to always focus, avoid negative comments, and always boost each and everyone's confidence. And of course, to always enjoy every game. That's all for now. This is Kyla Casulia reporting on the side of BU Lady Wolves. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Team.
Ayan nga, thank you so much Kyla for that update. So, as Kyla mentioned earlier na maraming rookies na aabangan dito sa Bicol University Wolves. So, let's see kasi with the help of the veterans and the rookies, ano kayang magiging connection nila inside the court? Makukuha ba nila ngayon ng una nilang panalo or will the USI Falcons snatch their first win here sa Bucal Season 5?
Ayan Rick, yan ang aabangan natin for our last game today. It's the USI Falcons versus the BU Wolves only here at Oragon Sports TV, and in just a few minutes magsisimula na po tayo, kaya abang-abang lang po tayo only here at Oragon Sports TV. Magbabalik po kami.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Tay Falcons ang kanilang first 6. We have Javier, Olpina, Rialique. On the side naman ng ating Lady Wolves, andito si Valderrama, Belardo, Nunez, their libero. And let's see kung ano ba ang papakita ng dalawang koponan nito. Magsisimula na ang ating first set.
Now, unang bola para dito sa ating PU Wolves. Pumunahan niya ni Valderrama na noong last season nga, napanood natin yung kanyang performance. Napakaganda dito at napangalanan pa nga siya as the best setter for our Bucal Season 4. Kaya titignan natin ngayong season. Now, Valderrama sets it up. Zoilo. Now, Javier. First point goes to PU Wolves.
The first score will be on the B side. Now again, on the deck to serve, we have Valderrama.
Medyo napalakas nga dyan dito kay Valderrama. So our score is tied on 1-all. Now Javier on the side of the USI Falcons will be serving the ball here. But an error. So a bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves here. Now jersey number 14, Ramirez. On the side of the BU Wolves. Ulpina. With that point, nabubuhayan dito yung crowd ng USI Falcons. And sabi nga kanina sa report ni Angel, they're confident for this game against BU Wolves na Ulpina.
Free ball lang ibibigay dito ng Lady Wolves. Now Falcons on the counter. Valderrama setting up to her teammate.
And another point for our PU Wolves. Now, Zoilo, 2 serving 3 for our set number 1. Again, Zoilo to serve.
Great serve. Now free ball, chance for the Lady Wolves here to have a score. Valderrama. The ball is still alive. Free ball dito para sa Falcons. Javier setting up Margalio, pero Margalio magbibigay ng free ball. 1-2 play para dito kay Valderrama. Good anticipation para dito sa setter ng Wolves. Nakita niyang walang nakabantay doon sa ating zone 4.
Now Zoilo again to serve here.
Regalo. Pero too much angle on that para dito sa Wolves. A free score para dito sa side ng USI Falcons. So a very great start for the both teams. Ayaw magpauli ng dalawang kupunan.
That's outside. So a bonus point for the BO Wolves here. 3 serving 5. Now, jersey number 2. Belardo to serve. But that's an error. Parehong kupunan na. Nagkakaroon ng error dito sa ating set number 1. Now, Rialique of the Falcons to serve.
Free ball para sa Falcons. Miscommunication. Now Lady Wolves chance to score and makakakuha nga dito ng score.
Yes, big things.
So jersey number 7 on the side of the Lady Wolves.
Yes, Granadillos of PU Wolves. Now she will be serving the ball for serving 6 here.
Another free ball chance for the Lady Wolves to have a score. And the push was successful para dito kay Rojas. So nahihirapan dito ang ating USA Falcons magkaroon ng play because of their poor first ball. Ang setter nila is nahihirapang i-distribute ang bola sa kanyang mga wing spiker.
Medyo napalakas dito kay jersey number 7, Barosa ng USI Falcons. Apat na ang kalamangan ng ating BU Wolves sa slot number 1. Granadillos again to serve.
Another poor first ball. At score pa nga yan ang USA Falcons. At tuwang-tuwa nga dito ang kanilang players. That's how you celebrate every point, and that's important sa larong ito.
And of course, for the side of the USI Falcons, every point counts para sa kanila dito. Now, Margallo.
Rojas, soft touch. And again, smart move coming from her.
Kailangan paigtingin dito ng ating USI Falcons sa kanilang floor defense dahil medyo lumulusot nga ang ating PU Wolves sa kanilang mga atake.
Free ball dito para sa Lady Wolves. Another soft touch pero andun si Realike. Olpina in the middle. There's no check ball on that last play. 5-point lead na dito ang hawak ng Lady Wolves.
Now, Rojas, 5 serving 10. PU Wolves. Maganda yung performance nila dito sa ating set number 1 and still fighting naman ang ating USI Falcons. Rojas. Olpina again. And that attack came from Ramirez. Jersey number 14 here. Rojas again to serve. Medyo napalakas na dyan. So an error. Automatic point for the side of the USI Falcons here. USI Falcons need to strengthen their offense as well as the defense for them to get a point here at para mas mailapit pa ang puntos against the BU Wolves. Pero an error dito para kay Valderrama. Kailangan bawasan niya ng BU Wolves. Now, Barosa. Zoilo. Realike.
Free ball ngayon para sa Wolves. Valderrama to Zoilo. Straight to the net attack coming from her. So the point will go on the side of the USA Falcons. 2 straight points para sa kanila.
Yes, sunod-sunod nga yung naging error dito ng ating BU Wolves. 8 serving 11. Tatlo na lamang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons. Barosa.
Now Javier setting up the ball to her teammate. Zoilo pababawiin. Olpina in the middle. We have a long rally here. One more time for Zoilo. And the point will go on the side of the USA Falcons.
Yes. Kung makikita mo yung performance ng USI Falcons ngayon, than last week, mas maganda yung ipinapakita nila ngayon and kailangan lang talaga nila maging consistent para tuloy-tuloy lang yung momentum on their side. But this time, an error was committed by Barosa. So an automatic point was given to the side of the BU Wolves here. And 3-point lead pa rin po ang ating BU Wolves.
Now Valderrama on the deck to serve. Javier at Olpina ibibigay ang free ball para sa Wolves. In the middle, Ramirez. What a great connection between Ramirez and Valderrama. So, napapansin natin ngayon, Tina, maganda ang pinapakita ng USI Falcons because talagang ine-enjoy nilang every moment. And nakikita natin ang connection between the players. So, this is a good start for them para makuha ang set na ito.
Yeah, kailangan lang talaga nila maging consistent ngayon. Kaya nga, sabi mo nga maganda yung umpisa ng ating USI Falcons. And of course, Coach Molina really emphasizes na kailangan nila ng communication inside the court. And of course, bawasan lang yung kanilang error. And then the game will be okay. And they just need to communicate with each other. But that last sequence is an service ace coming from the BO Wolves. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dyan dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. 9 serving 14. A 5-point lead coming from the BO Wolves. Ito nga ang ating first set. Napakaganda ng depensa as well as the offense on the side of the BO Wolves. While on the other side, the USI Falcons, maganda din yung kanilang pinapakita. They just need to be consistent. But of course, kailangan lang nila bawasan yung kanilang mga errors dyan.
Ayan, Tina, napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang coach ng USI Falcons kasi ang BU Wolves is gumagawa na ng paraan para mas lalong lakihan pa ang kalamangan nila dito sa ating first set.
But let's see, nagsimula pa lang naman tayo. Well, the USI Falcons hahabol ba dito or the BO Wolves didiretso na sa pagpuntos dito sa ating set number 1 now. We're back on the ball game as Valderrama on the side of the BO Wolves will serve the ball.
At regalo dito para kay Zoilo.
Now, the USI Falcons, kailangan higpitan nila dito yung kanilang floor defense. Be more focused on the game. And another ace coming from Valderrama.
So talagang maganda dito ang serving ng ating BU Wolves. Another great serve coming from Valderrama. Chance for them to have a score. Valderrama ibibigay dito sa kanyang spiker. Great floor defense para sa Falcons. Pero too strong on that attack coming from jersey number 3. So again, you cannot afford to have a lot of errors dahil crucial ito para sa kanilang kupunan. Sila ang naghahabol dito sa ating set number 1.
Yes.
9-17.
Medyo napapalakas nga yung mga palo dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Kailangan lang talaga nila i-calcula kung papasok ba to or hindi. Now,
Valderrama to Zoilo. Rialique, itatawid ang bola para sa Falcons. Ball is still alive. Olpina, setting up her teammate. But this time, straight to the net attack coming from Rojas on that last play. So, free point para dito sa Falcons. Now, jersey number 13 on the deck to serve. What a great attack para dito sa ating Lady Wolves. Talagang porsyento kung porsyento ang pagpalo para dito sa ating Lady Wolves.
naitaas na nga sa 8 kalamangan dito ng ating Lady Wolves. Stand serving 18.
Javier versus
Now, jersey number 11. Ball is still alive here. Pero the score will go on the side of the USI Falcons. Now, Olpina.
Now, Olpina on the deck to serve para dito sa Falcons. But it was a service error. Medyo malayo-layo na dito ang abante ng Lady Wolves. Kailangan ditong extra effort ng ating USA Falcons para mahabal dito ang kalamangan. Javier to Rialique. And a great attack coming from Rialique, finding that corner pocket spot at makakakuha nga siya doon ng successful attacks.
Now, Mandaso to serve.
Valderrama setting up her teammate. Nice dig coming from the Falcons. Ball is still alive. In the middle naman ngayon para sa Wolves. Bernadillos. Granadillos rather, with that powerful attack. So we can see the variation of sets here para kay Valderrama. Talagang she's maximizing her her spikers, mapa middle man ito, mapa open at mapa utility spiker.
But this time, it's an error coming from the BU Wolves, an automatic point for the side of the USI Falcons. 13 serving 20. Now, Rialique to serve here. Too strong. So, bigayan lang ng puntos dito dahil sa kanilang mga error. The BU Wolves is now 4 points away on getting the set number 1. So, the USI Falcons needs to double their effort now.
So service ace again para dito sa Lady Wolves. Mapa-service line, mapa-attack line, talagang very successful ang BU Wolves on getting points here sa ating set number 1. On the side of the USA Falcons naman, kailangan lang nila dito ang paganda ng kanilang floor defense para maka-execute ng proper attack at sets ang kanilang players.
Another point for the side of the BU Wolves. 10-point lead against the USI Falcons as they are now approaching on getting the set number 1 with just 2 points. Now, Granadillos.
So free ball para dito sa Lady Wolves. Valderrama. What a great combination play and a strong attack coming from Zoilo. Grabe.
Now, jersey number 1, Margallo. Set point na po ang ating BU Wolves. Just one more point here.
Javier setting up the ball to her teammates. And a net violation was called on the USA Falcons. That's the end of our first set at nakuha nga ito ng Bicol University. Lady Wolves, 25-14 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating set number 2 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our second set. Nakuha nga dito ng Lady Wolves ang first set. Will the Lady Wolves get their second straight set or will the USI Falcons have a chance to win this second set? Yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating laro. Ayan, nakita nga natin team dito on that first set. Talagang ang ganda ng ball distribution ni Valderrama. Talagang na-maximize niya ang kanyang mga spikers. And on that last strong hit pala, it was Rojas yung nagkaroon ng puntos on that powerful spike. So, let's see kung meron pang ganong mga combination plays ang igagawa dito ng ating Bicol University Wolves. And to hear an update para sa side ng Lady Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, ng update dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the second set of this matchup and the momentum continues on the side of the Lady Wolves. They are reminded to stay focused on the game and focus on the ball. Be consistent on what they're showing and always rely on their system. I've witnessed how energetic and motivated the players and they are ready to continuously show their team effort to get their first ever win this season. And of course, they are reminded to not be complacent and continue what they started. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, huwag maging complacent kahit ka nakuha nila yung kanilang set number 1. Kaya naman titignan natin kung ano pa nga ba yung magagawa ng ating BU Lady Wolves dito. And on the other side, the USI Falcons on our first set. Nung una, maganda yung kanilang laban pero napag-iwanan na sila doon. Natapos nga yung kanilang laro by 25-13 if I'm not mistaken. But let's see on our second set if they are willing to get on points here again. At para makahingi naman tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, balitan natin dyan.
Hi, Rick and Teen. We are now at the second set of the game. The Lady Falcons are having a hard time with the defense, and with that, coach called a timeout to re-strategize and remind the players to read the ball. And she also added to not be complacent and to get and take their time. Nevertheless, the Lady Falcons are ready to get a comeback on the court. Onward, forward, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Yan nga, kailangan ditong basahin ng USA Falcons ang galawan ng Lady Wolves para maging maganda ang kanilang setup plays at magkaroon sila ng good connection inside the court. And yan ang abangan natin dito sa ating second set. So yan nga, we are all tied up at 2 para sa ating second set. Another great start for both teams. Now, powerful attack coming from jersey number 16 ng BU Wolves. So, nandito nga sa akin ang statistic ng set number 1. So, ang attacks talagang nanaig dito ang Bicol University Wolves. 10 attacks kontra sa 2 ng USI Falcons, and opponent error lamang dito ang BU Wolves ng 11. Pero still, silang nakakuha ng set na yon. Back to the ball game.
On the last sequence, medyo napalakas dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves. So a point was given on the side of the USI Falcons. And again, we are tied on 3. Now serving Sena. Pero net violation for the side of the BU Wolves. But this is a good start for the USI Falcons. They need to continue this momentum para makalamang sa ating BU Wolves. Again, Sena to serve.
Now, Valderrama, Torrica Franca. And it was outside. So the point will go on the side of the USI Falcons. So abante na dito ng dalawa ang kanilang kupunan. Great start for them.
Now, Sena again to serve here. Falcons need to tighten their defense now as they are on the lead of 2.
Valderrama in the middle. Pababawiin dito ang kanyang teammate na si Branadillos.
Isa lamang ang hinahabol dito ng ating BU Wolves. As jersey number 11 to serve here. Ulpina got that point. And they are celebrating with that. 4 serving 6 now. Falcons is on the beat on set number 2. Now, Realike serving.
Now a chance for the Falcons to score. Ball is still alive. Ulpina! Nabantayan dito ang atake ng Ulpina. What a great block coming from Branadillos.
Now, a close game for our set number 2 here. The momentum is on the side of the Falcons still. Barosa gaining a point for set number 2. Ito yung naging adjustment ng ating USI Falcons. They need to focus now and concentrate on the game as they're on the lead of 2. But that's an error para dito kay Ulpina. Kailangan nilang bawasan ng error dyan to maintain their lead against the BU Wolves.
Point for the Wolves, courtesy of Corias. Deadlock again para dito sa ating second set. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok pa rin hanggang ngayon. Live na live. So, shoutout dito kay Aljan Adayo, Roy May Gonzalez, Charlene Gonzalez, and Joyce Gonzalez. Thank you so much, and happy viewing.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay. And of course, dito sa ating live viewers sa NCF Covered Court, maraming salamat po. Ball still alive here. Pero straight through the net para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Yung 2 puntos na kalamangan kayo na ng USI Falcons, nabawi na yan agad ng ating BU Wolves as they're on the lead of 2. 9 serving 7.
Valderrama. Great set para dito sa kanyang teammate, jersey number 10. 16 rather, at mapapatawag nga ng time out wikang USI Falcons kasi abante na dito ng 3 ang Lady Wolves.
Ayan nga, Rick, doon sa pagsimula ng ating set number 2, maganda doon sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Pero nabawi naman agad yan ang ating BU Lady Wolves. And now, they are on the lead of 3. Titingnan natin kung makakabawi pa ba itong ating USI Falcons. And of course, they just need to tighten their defense. Pagtingin pa nila yung kanilang floor defense dito para makahabol sa ating BU Wolves. But on the other side, napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita dito ng ating BU Wolves. At titingnan natin kung makukuha pa ba nila itong ating set number 2. Syempre, yan ang ating aabangan maya-maya lamang dahil medyo maaga pa para sa ating set number 2. Now, jersey number 1. Survey. And that's an ace coming from the Wolves. Again, Corias will serve for their side. 11 serving 7.
With coverage by Nunez, Valderrama to jersey number 16 pero straight to the net para sa kanya.
Now, Falcons. Barosa. And that's another point for the USI Falcons. Naibaba na lamang dito sa dalawang kalamakan ng BU Wolves. Again, Barosa. Well, still alive here. Dinamo sets it up.
Long rally ang nakikita natin dito. 1-2 play. At nakakakuha ng puntos si jersey number 16. Siya ang tatapos ng long rallying yon.
Yes.
Grabe. Amazing players for these both teams. Talagang ayaw magpatalo.
Yes, that's Oli of the BU Wolves. Now Valderrama to serve.
In the middle para nice dig. Again, another long rally. Ito nga, in the middle. Jersey number 14, Ramirez, makakakuha ng puntos.
Medyo lumalamang muli ang ating BU Wolves. Now Valderrama with that strong serve.
Rica Franca, babasagin dito ang ball ng ating USA Falcons. Grabe. Kahit dalawang blockers nang nasa unahan ni Rica Franca, hindi siya doon na-intimidate. At nakakuha pa siya ng puntos.
Naitas na nga muli sa limang kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves. Pero medyo napalakas na dyan para dito kay Valderrama. So bonus point will be given on the side of the USI Falcons. Now, Javier will serve for the side of the Falcons. Now, Javier. Rialique, free ball ibibigay dito sa BU Wolves. Now, again, free ball.
Another long rally. Margallo, hindi dito matatawid ang bola para sa USA Falcons.
Ngayon naman, Ramirez will serve the ball for the side of the BU Wolves. Nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga long rallies dito. And that's outside. An error from them. Bonus point para sa ating USI Falcons. This is their chance again to get a point here. And to lessen the gap of the BU Wolves. Valderrama, 1-2 play.
Amazing move coming from Valderrama. Talagang veteran player dito ng Lady Wolves. And as you can hear in our background, talagang chini-cheer dito sa side ng BU Wolves si Valderrama.
Yes. But that's outside this time. Kailangan pang bumawi ng USI Falcons dito as the BU Wolves is up by 4. Now, Sana. But that's an ace on the side of the Falcons. And they're celebrating small wins here. 16 serving 13. Naibaba na sa tatlo. And they needed more here para makuha ang set number 2. Sana again. Medyo napalakas dyan. Ang gigigil na dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves. Falcons needs this opportunity to make it near by the score of the BU Wolves. Sana again. And a service ace. Back-to-back-to-back points from the USI Falcons, and they are really happy with that dahil nga isa na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng USI Falcons. Sena again.
And then error para dito kay Rica Franca. 16 all at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang coach ng Lady Wolves. So the USA Falcons is really loving it kasi
Yes.
talagang naitabla na nila ang kanilang score dito sa kontra Lady Wolves.
Yan, from a 5-point lead kanina doon sa ating second set. Ngayon, naitabla na nga nila sa 16 all. And they needed this para naman mas madagdagan yung kanilang confidence inside the court. Pero, syempre, dagdagan din nila yung kanilang defense and communication. But on the side of the BU Wolves, medyo napapadami or sunod-sunod yung naging error nila doon sa ating mga last sequence. But let's see na ngayon, tabla na tayo. Napakaganda panoorin nito kung sino nga ba sa dalawang ito ang makakakuha ng ating set number 2. Again, 16 all para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And Sena will be serving again for the side of the USI Falcons. Pero naputol nga agad ng BU Wolves yung sunod-sunod na puntos dyan ng ating USI Falcons.
Realike. What a great hustle coming from the player of Wolves. Pero Realike finding an open spot and get a point.
Yes, ito yung dapat nating makita sa side talaga ng USI Falcons. They really improved from the first game against the UNC Greyhounds. Now, USI Falcons really step up for this game. Talaga pinaghandaan nila yung laban nila against the first runner-up from last season. Now, Valderrama sets it up. Good coverage by the Falcons. Now, Barosa! And the point will go on the side of the BU Wolves here. Good game for these two teams. Wolves. Ulpina.
Feeble dito para sa Lady Wolves. Valderrama setting up her middle. Ball is still alive. Pero Corrias hindi dito may tatawid ang bola para sa kanyang kupunan. Good intention for her but poor execution.
Yes. Palitan na ng puntos dito. 18 all. Another deadlock for these two teams. Now, Ulpina. Good serve. No. Valderrama sets it up. The point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. No, Corrias. 19 serving 18. But an error. Very crucial one dahil nga napakalapit ng puntos natin dito. And again, we are on deadlock of 19. Barosa, one of the consistent player of the USI Falcons, will serve the ball here. Pero medyo napalakas nga dyan. Nanggigigil na dito sa side ng ating Falcons. So a bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves. Now, Valderrama.
The rally continues para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Free ball para sa Falcons. Ball is still alive. In the middle. Pero too strong on that attack
Now, we really love to see this both teams having point by point here. Another deadlock. 20 all para sa ating set number 2. Jersey number 13, Javier. But a crucial error was committed by her. So they need to lessen their error now. Now a substitution on the side of the BU Lady Wolves. Go. Papalit dito kay Ramirez. Yes. Yun nga, palitan na ng puntos sa dalawang koponan na ito. Dikit na dikit ang laban at napakaganda ang pinapakita ng USI as well as the PU. Now, the point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. That's a not violation for the USI Falcons side. Let's see kung ano nga ba mangyayari dito sa ating set number 2 at timeout nga ang itinawag dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. 22 serving 21, isang puntos lamang ang hawak dito ng ating PU Wolves, but still a good fight between these two teams. Grabe yung kanilang performance na pinapakita dito ngayon, Rick.
Talagang close fight between the Falcons and the Wolves. Let's see kung sino ang magkakaroon dito ng magandang panapos to create a momentum para sa darating na set number 3. We cannot tell kung sino dito ang mananalo because both teams are performing well.
Next season. Ito po gusto nyo naglaro sa pa-request kami next season.
You're back on the ball game. Zoilo magbabalik dito for the side of the BU Wolves. 22-21. 1-point lead. Ang hawak dito ng ating BU Wolves. Now Zoilo will serve the ball here. It's the USI Falcons.
Javier to Realike, and Realike again finding that opening spot para dito sa side ng Wolves. Talagang nakikita na Realike dito na masyadong nasa una ng depensa ng ating Lady Wolves. That's why hinahanap niya ang butas doon sa likod, and she successfully did a great job on that.
Yan, ito dapat yung ipinapakitang performance ng side ng USI Falcons. And again, a point for the side of the USI Falcons. They're very different from what we've seen last season and on their last game against the UNC Greyhounds. This is the USI Falcons we've all been waiting for. Now, jersey number 3.
Free ball dito para sa Falcons. Olpina, bantay sarado dito. Chance for the Falcons para magkaroon ng set point. Ball sila live, Realike. And a miscommunication between the players of the USI Falcons. And with that, again, we're all tied up at 23. Talagang ang ganda ng laro between these two players. Kitang-kita natin na decidido silang makuha itong set na ito, and let's see kung sinong makakakuha. But unfortunately, Rica Franca committing an error. Crucial error para dito sa Wolves. That's why tatawag dito ng timeout ang coach ng Lady Wolves.
Now,
USI Falcons is on set point now.
And they're really happy with that kasi medyo malayo yung naging kalamangan doon sa ating first set, and now they have the lead of 1. Kaya anong gagawin kaya dito ng BU Wolves para matigil yung pagpuntos dito ng USI Falcons? But on the other side, the USI Falcons, what will they do to get this set number 2? And now we are back on the ball game. Our crucial game here, 23 to serving 24. The USI Falcons have the chance here to get the set number 2. They just need to lessen their error or never commit it. Now, Realike will serve.
Valderrama setting up Rojas. And we are all tied up at 24, extended set number 2.
Now, hindi pa talaga pinapatapos itong BU Wolves ang ating set number 2, and they are ready to add more points here. Now, Barosa. Get that point again, sayang yun. For the side of the BU Wolves. Again, set point para sa USI Falcons. And Ramirez will be back on the side of the BU Wolves here for our very crucial set number 2. Olpina will also go outside. Coyofe will be in for the side of the USI Falcons. No more room for errors here. Now Coyofe. That's it. Nakuha nga po ng USI Falcons ang ating set number 2. A very good comeback from their team. 1-1 na po tayo. And we will be back for more actions for our set number 3. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back again for our set number 3 of the matchup of the USI Falcons and the BU Wolves. Kanina nga po, a very action-packed set number 2 ang napanood natin between these two teams where the USI Falcons get the set number 2. Grabe yung comeback nila doon from a 6-point lead coming from the BU Wolves, and then they get that set 26-24. Now for our set number 3, Valderrama will serve the ball here. Oh, still alive here. Margallo, free ball para sa BU Wolves. First point will go on the side of the BU Wolves.
First point will go on the side of the Bicol University Lady Wolves. So talagang babawi dito ang Lady Wolves, and let's see on the side of the USI Falcons if they get this third set para sa ating larong ito. At para makahingi ng update sa side ng Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Hey, Rick and team, we are now at the third set of the game. What can I say? It was an intense set. A change of favor for the second quarter. The USI Lady Falcons claimed their throne for the second set of the game. I can already distinguish the improvements of the Lady Falcons for this set. They are indeed motivated to take the win for this game. With their strong optimism, will be they able to continue to set their improvement until the third set of the game. Okay, please stay with us on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel. The USI Falcons is really motivated by our set number 2. And ngayon nga dito sa ating set number 3, what will happen? Will they still continue dominating the set against the BU Wolves? Pero naman dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves, napakaganda din nila ng kanilang naging performance. At ano naman kaya ang kanilang magiging adjustment to snatch the set number 3 against the Falcons. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. We are now on the third set of this matchup, and during the huddle, they are reminded to lessen their errors and continue on relying on their system. Coach Francis reminded them that since they committed errors, they need to regain their focus at ibalik ang team effort na meron sila during the first set of the game. Coaches reminds the team to trust each other and maintain the communication inside the court so that the team chemistry will work. Dagdag pa ni Coach Francis, always use their mind and not just their power. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Kyla for that update. So yun nga, lessen their error because on that second set talagang error ang nagpatalo dito or nagpahabol ng kalamangan para sa Bicol University Wolves. And as we can see nga dito, talagang the momentum is on the side of the Falcons. 4-2 sa ating talaan.
No, a good start for the USI Falcons side. And just like the set number 2, they just need to be consistent here. Now, the ball. Oh, Valderrama sets it up. Rodriguez. Alpina. Zoy lang ngayon nagbibigay ng free ball dito. Rialique will try. Alpina! This time they get it again, making it a 3-point lead out of the USI Falcons. The Falcons is really on their game here today. They're really motivated now to get the set number 3. Now jersey number 1 to serve here. This time, an error was committed. Bonus point para sa ating BU Wolves. Zoilo. And again, Olpina with that attack. They're dominating the third set today. And another point for the side of the USI Falcons. Buhay na buhay yung kanilang laro dito ngayong hapon na ito. And we needed that energy from them. Pero kailangan pang mag-adjust itong ating BU Wolves para makakuha ng puntos.
Rojas will give a free ball. Realike. Javier. Now Valderrama setting up Rojas. This time makakakuha na ng puntos ang Bicol University Wolves. So grabe talaga dito ang pinapakitang momentum at consistency on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now serving 7, serving 4. USI still on the lead here. Good serve. Now, Barosa. Again, gaining a point here against the BU Wolves. We really didn't expect this comeback from the USI Falcons. And we're really happy with their small wins here. While on the side of the BU Wolves, they need to tighten their floor defense now. Now, Realike. Drama to Rojas. Nakahanap dyan ng butas. And they've cut it. Wolves serving. But that's an error. Automatic point for the USI Falcons here. They are 4 points away against the BU Wolves. Now, Olpina to serve. Palakas na dyan dito kay Rojas. Nanggigigil na nga ang ating BU Wolves dito.
Talagang ang USI Falcons ay tinutuloy-tuloy na dito ang kanilang kalamangan. 5 point lead ang hawak dito ng USI Falcons kontra Bicol University Wolves. Hindi natin dito nararamdaman ang energy ng Wolves. But on the side of the USI Falcons, talagang ginaganaan sila at talagang the connection is very crucial when it comes to this point. And the score will go on the side of the USA Falcons.
Now, USI Falcons having this kind of energy really helps them to be motivated. And that's the service ace. Coming from Olpina, napatawag nga ng timeout dyan dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves dahil 7 na nga po ang kalamangan ng USI Falcons. A very good start for the set number 3 for the side of the USI Falcons, and they're just enjoying the game. While on the other side, the BU Wolves, talagang kailangan pa nila muli mas pag-igihan yung kanilang depensa dahil medyo nawawala yung kanilang communication between the players. While the USI Falcons is just enjoying this set number 3. They're really happy with the points that they are making. And they just need to continue and of course to be consistent with their game. Now we are back on the ball game. Ano kaya yung magiging adjustment dito ng ating BU Wolves para maitigil yung sunod-sunod na puntos na nakagawa ng ating USI Falcons. Olpina now. Serve again.
Pinabawi nga dito si Rojas on that last play. So, a lucky break dito para sa Lady Wolves. Now Rojas on the deck to serve para sa Wolves. Rialike. USA Falcons magbibigay free ball. And 2 straight points para sa Lady Wolves. So, di dapat dito maging complacent ang ating USA Falcons because we know the capabilities of the Bicol University Wolves. Talagang kaya na dito mag-comeback. So, on the side of the USA Falcons, they need to stay focused at magkaroon ng connection inside the court. Back on court. Again, back-to-back errors para dito sa Falcons.
Tatlong sunod-sunod na error ang nagagawa dito ng ating USI Falcons. While the PU Wolves is getting it back together. 12 serving 8 now.
Javier magbibigay ng free ball para sa Wolves. Valderrama in the middle. At nabantayan nga dito ni Margallo. And Barosa. Yun ang kailangan dito ng ating USA Falcons para hindi sila mahabol dito sa ating third set. Now Barosa on the deck to serve para sa Falcons. Too strong on that serve.
Now Valderrama to serve for the Wolves here. But that's an error. Bigayan ng puntos by error itong dalawang kupunan na ito. And they need to lessen that. They really want to get this set. Now, Falcons. An error again for them. Medyo napapabayaan na nila dito. Konting-konti na lang nakakahabol na ang PU Wolves sa ating Lady Falcons. 14 serving 10. Now Wolves to serve. Javier sets it up. Zoilo. Good coverage by the Falcons. On the other side, ball still alive here. Miscommunication on the side of Falcons, but the ball still alive. And that's it. With the help of Bronadillos, the Wolves get that point and lessen the gap of the USI Falcons. It's now 14 serving 11. Now jersey number 14 to serve. Another error para sa side ng ating Falcons. Dahil dyan, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito sa side ng USI Falcons. 14 serving 12 na ibaba na nga po ng BU Wolves ang kalamangan ng USI Falcons by 2. And this would be a change of momentum from this both sides. Nung pinaghirapan nila ang halos 6 na puntos na kalamangan, na ibaba na lamang yan ng PU Wolves. So let's see with the continuation of our set number 3. What will happen? Will the USI Falcons still continue dominating this set, or the PU Wolves will come back stronger to snatch this set number 3? Now we're back on the ball game. Still on the lead, the USI Falcons. Now Ramirez serve. But that's an error. Bonus point for the side of the Falcons.
So ang ganda talaga ng mga ginagawa dito ng mga coaches kasi yung minsan yung mga timeouts nila is pangpaputo lang ng momentum dun sa other side ng kanilang kalaban. So, great tactics para sa mga coaches dito. Back to the ball game tayo. Now, Nunez setting up her teammate. Back to 2-point lead para dito sa ating USA Falcons.
Now, Zoilo will serve for the BU Wolves. This is their chance para makalapit sa puntos ng Falcons. Sena. Volleyball ibibigay dito. Valderrama sets it up. Good coverage for the Falcons. We try again. Bayalike to Olpina.
We have a long rally here. Olpina. The ball is still alive.
And the point will go on the side of the USI Falcons after that long rally. The Falcons is really determined to get this set. Now Realike. Too much power on that serve. So a bonus point for the side of the BU Wolves. No error. Should be out of the room here, as this is a very close fight between these two teams now. Barosa straight through the net.
Across the net, so the point will automatically go on the side of the Lady Wolves. So isa na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Yasay Falcons. Kailangan nila itong protektahan if they want to get this set number 3.
And that's it again. We are deadlock on 16. Nahabol lang nga po ng PO Wolves.
Yan, we are outside up at 16.
Nakalamangan ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see. Set number 3. Ball ibibigay dito. Strong block coming from the Falcons. Realike, as well as jersey number 3, proving that Falcons is still here for set number 3 to snatch this set.
Valderrama, pababawiin dito ang kanyang teammate, pero Rojas, masyadong napalakas ang tapik na yon. Back to 2-point lead. So, very good set number 3 para sa ating USI Falcons. Talagang ayaw nilang padikitin dito ang Bicol University Wolves. Again, Realike on the deck to serve. Javier magbibigay ng free ball. Ball is still alive. Rojas, pababawiin. Ball is still alive. Javier to Barosa. Ang gandang floor defense for both teams. Pero Olpina makakahanap ng butas on the side of the Lady Wolves. I would like to commend the floor defense of this USI Falcons. Talagang hindi nila pinapalapag ang bola. Kaya naman nahihirapan dito ang side ng Lady Wolves to have a score.
Now, Realike, grabe napakaganda ng performance ng ating USI Falcons. Pero an error coming from Realike. They didn't need that right now. Now, Mandasok papasok muli dito kapalit ni Barosa. 19 serving 17. Falcons is just 6 points away against the BU Wolves for our set number 3. But the Wolves are still fighting. But this time, another point was given on the side of the Falcons as it is an error committed by the Wolves. Now Olpina. Free ball ibibigay dito. Now Javier sets it up. Magpasok!
At napapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Lady Wolves 21-17 at bumalik nga sa USA Falcons ang kanilang momentum. 4 points away on getting this third set at para makakuha ng 1 set advantage kontra Lady Wolves. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng Bicol University Lady Wolves para maitabla dito ang kanilang score?
Yes, napakaganda talaga ng mga last sequence dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Hindi talaga nila hinahayaan na maibaba yung bola. While on the other side, the BU Wolves, ano kaya yung gagawin nila ditong tactic para matigil yung pagpuntos ng USI Falcons? Because I think the Falcons is ready to dominate and get this set number 3. So now, let's see as we are back on the ball game. Olpina again to serve for the side of the Falcons.
Another great floor defense, pero an attack error committed by jersey number 11, Mandasok. Masyadong na-excite doon si Mandasok on that last play.
Yes. Natawa na lang sila doon sa pagkakamali na yun. Now, Falcons have a chance here. Valderrama. Zoilo. Ball still alive here. Again, the Falcons gets another point. 22 serving 18. Iba talaga yung performance na ipinapakita ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. And we really need this energy from the day one. And they're giving this. Valderrama sets it up for Zoilo again. Straight through the net. Sunod-sunod na puntos na nga ang nagagawa ng ating USI Falcons. They are 2 points away from getting the set number 3. Now, no more errors at this point. Mandasok now to serve. And that's an ace coming from the Falcons. They're celebrating because 1 set or 1 point apart from getting the set number 3. You're on the set point now. Now Mandasok. No more error. Will they get the set number 4? But a very crucial error. So the BO will still have the chance here for our set number 3.
1 set point save dito para sa Bicol University Wolves. 1 more point at makukuha na ng Falcons ang score. Ang set na ito rather. The ball is still alive. Realike magbibigay ng free ball. Ball is still alive. Free ball ulit dito. Chance for the Wolves to score. Now Javier setting up jersey number 3. And jersey number 3 will get a point. And that's the end of our set number 3. One set advantage dito para sa USI Falcons. Abangan natin ang ating set number 4. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para sa mainit na bakbakan between the Lady Wolves and the Lady Falcons. Abante na nga dito ng isang set ang USI Falcons. One more set at makukuha na nila ang panalong ito. And on the side of the Bicol Lady Wolves, kailangan nila ditong paigtingin ang kanilang communication at bawasan ng error para makabawi at ma-force ito sa fifth set at para makingin ang update sa side ng Lady Wolves. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Katsina. We are now on the fourth quarter. At hindi man nakuha ng Lady Wolves ang third set, the team are boosting their confidence and reminds them na bumawi for this set. During the huddle, coaches reminds the team to lessen their pressure because during the third set, we can see the pressure on the team. Tiwala sa bawat isa at sa kakayahan ng team. Yan ang kanilang mantra and they are ready to bounce back for this fourth set of the game. And they're also reminded that even they are playing, never forget to smile and enjoy the game. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Kyla, ayan nga, huwag kalimutan mag-enjoy para dito sa side ng ating PU Wolves. Doon nga sa ating set number 3, medyo nagkulang lang sila sa communication sa kapwa nila players at medyo nagkagulo sila doon sa loob ng court. But this time, for our set number 4, I think they are ready again to conquer this set. At para naman sa side ng ating USI Falcons, napakaganda ng performance nila during the set number 3 and getting that set mas nagpadagdag sa kanila ng confidence as well as ng determination to get this set and win this game. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Scene, we got the third set of the game, and as we enter the fourth set of the game, the USI Lady Falcons are really proving something as they mark a history for the third set of the game. It is indeed the pride of these Lady Falcons to win the game. Nevertheless, coach told them to enjoy the game under pressure, quoting that this matchup is for the Lady Falcons. The momentum was defended, and let us hope for the Falcons to once again stretch their wings for this set. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. To the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Angel, for that update. So yun nga, patuloy nga umaarangkada dito ang USI Falcons. Ang kailangan lang nila is maging consistent with their play at magkaroon ulit ng strong connection inside the court para talagang masecure nila ang unang panalo nila dito sa ating ligang ito. So back to the ball game tayo. Realike again. Ang talino talagang humanap ng butas dito ni Realike. Talagang kanina pa to nagpapakitang gilas when it comes to their attacks. You don't need a strong attacks to have a points. Sabi nga ng coach nila is hindi lang power ang gamitin, kundi ang kanilang isip din.
Yes, Rick, and now they're really using that and maximizing their strength.
1-2 play by Valderrama. And it was successfully done. So, a strong start here para sa Bicol Lady Wolves.
Now Zoilo. And that's an ace. The BU Wolves now are really connected for this set number 4. Hindi talaga nila papatapusin yung laban nang hindi sila nagpapakitang gilas. Well, on the other side, the Falcons, what will they do to maintain their momentum here? Now Zoilo again, as the Wolves is on the lead of 3.
Free ball dito para sa Wolves. Rojas gagawa ng paraan ang set na yon. And miscommunication between the players of the Falcons. Ito ang kailangan nilang iwasan dito, ang kanilang errors.
Now, it's a good start for the BU Lady Wolves. They are saying that they're coming back again. But for the side of the Lady Falcons, ang nahihirapan sila ngayon, communicating with each other. Zoilo again.
Javier. Masyadong pasok yung set na yon. And ngayon naman, ang Wolves ang nagkakaroon ng magandang momentum para sa ating fourth set. Again, Zoilo on the deck to serve para dito sa Lady Wolves.
7 serving 2. And another
Service ace naman. Service ace naman. Ngayon, para kay
Now we are back on the ball game. Still on the lead ang ating BU Wolves by 5 or by 6. Now Zoilo to serve. And another ace coming from the BU Wolves. Good comeback for our set number 4. Lady Falcons, kailangan humabol pa dito. 9 serving 2. Again, Zoilo will be on the line to serve. Valderrama sets it up. Ball is still alive here. Now free ball ibibigay dito para sa Wolves. Valderrama. And it's still inside para dito. Para kay Branadalios. 10 serving 2. Falcons need to double their effort now if they want to get this win. Zoilo again for the end time serving. But this time, an error. So a bonus point for the side of the Falcons. Natigil nga nila yung sunod-sunod na puntos dyan ng ating BU Wolves. Now, Rhea Lique.
So another point for the Lady Wolves. Ito ang nagkulang sa kanila on that past 2 sets. Ang mag-enjoy sa loob ng court. Now, chance for the Falcons here to score. Ball is still alive. Rojas again. Another great spike coming from Rojas.
Now, I think the Falcons is now pressured with 2 sets na meron sila ngayon. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Molina, they just need to enjoy the game here. As the Lady Wolves now enjoying the set number 4. So now they are gaining points here, a back-to-back points. Now Falcons. Yung bola bibigay dito. Valderrama sets it up para kay dito kay Branadilios. Barosa straight through the net. 10-point lead of the Lady Wolves for our set number 4. Makakabawi pa ba ang ating Lady Falcons to lessen that gap against the Wolves? Holly. Too much power on that one. So a bonus point for the side of the Falcons here. That is their opportunity to gain their momentum again. Because the Wolves is enjoying the set number 4. Now, jersey number 12 to serve.
Another great attack coming from Rojas. Talagang masyadong minamaximize dito ang spiker na on the side of the Lady Wolves at pinapangunahan yan ng kanilang caliber player na si Rojas. Chance ball ang ibibigay dito para sa Wolves. Valderrama in the middle. Again, Branadilios on the deck to serve para dito sa ating Lady Wolves. Nabasa yun ng Falcons. Now, Ross again will try. Great coverage. But Barosa, straight to the net attack coming from her.
Now, the BO Wolves is halfway on getting the set number 4 here. They are dominating this set while the Falcons still finding their rhythm for this set number 4. Branadilios again on the line to serve. Ulpina. Good play by Valderrama. Try again. Oh, still alive here. This time. Good save by Valderrama. Free ball ibibigay dito ng Javier. And the point will go on the side of the BU Wolves. They're just maintaining their momentum and rhythm for our set number 4. While the Lady Falcons medyo nahihirapan pa rin dito makakuha ng puntos. Again, Granadillos. Olpina.
Rojas, soft touch. And it was successfully done para dito kay Rojas. Mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang kupunahan ng Falcons kasi medyo nawala dito ang connection between the players sa loob ng court dito sa ating Falcons kaya hindi na masyadong nagkakaroon ng magandang play.
Yes. Dito na naman sa side ng ating BU Wolves, napakaganda ng umpisa ng kanilang set number 4 at hindi na naman talaga nila tinigilan hanggat hindi sila nakakapuntos. But on the other side, the Lady Falcons still ang naghahabol dito sa ating set number 4. Well, the BU Wolves get the set number 4 and we will be staying for our set number 5 or the USI Falcons will get this set and win the game against the BU Wolves. Now, Granadillos. Javier, bibigay dito ng free ball. Madrama. Maraming attack. Ramirez, ball still alive. Too strong para dito kay Mandaso. And 6 points away of getting the set number 4 para dito sa ating BU Wolves. As Granadillos again on the line.
Another free ball dito para sa Lady Wolves. Miscommunication. Another free ball. Chance for the Wolves here to score. Rojas. Makakakuha ulit ng puntos para sa kanyang kupunan. So nakikita natin dito na talagang kargada ang service ng ating Lady Wolves. That's why palaging nagbibigay ng free ball dito ang USI Falcons.
Yes, grabe din talaga yung naging comeback ng ating BU Wolves sa ating set number 4. They really didn't give a chance to the Lady Falcons here. Rojas with a soft touch. That's it. Again, another point for the BU Wolves here. 21 serving 4. Yan for the end time, Granadillos will be serving. But that's outside. Naputol yung sunod-sunod na puntos dito ng ating BU Wolves. Pero malayo-layo yung kailangang habulan ng ating Lady Falcons. Magdasok. Ball still alive here. Magdasok. Pinigay dito ng free ball. Valderrama sets it up to Ramirez. Ball still alive here. Valderrama, try one more time. And the BU Wolves get that point. That's 3 points away. And we will have our set number 5. Now Rojas. But that's an error. Kaya-kayang maihabol ng USI Falcons ang napakalaking kalamangan ng Lady Wolves dito sa ating set number 4. As Javier will serve the ball now.
Ball is still alive. No coverage para sa ating USA Falcons. 2 points away on getting this set number 4 na lamang ang ating Lady Wolves. Now, Valderrama on the deck to serve. So a lucky point coming from the USA Falcons. Now Alpina on the deck to serve para sa Falcons.
Now, set point na ngayon ng ating BU Wolves. Just one more point and they will get the set number 4. At magkakaroon tayo ng set 5-4 to decision game kung sino nga ba ang mananalo sa ating last game this Saturday. Now, Ramirez. Drama. And that's it. Nakuha nga po ng BU Wolves ang ating set number 4 by 25-7. At magkikita-kita po muli tayo para sa ating set number 5, the decision game between these two teams. Ito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our 5th and final set ng larong ito. So nakita nga natin kung gaano ginalingan ng dalawang player, ng dalawang teams na ito. Ang larong ito, that's why nagkaroon tayo ng extended set which is the 5th set na first time dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. So grabe talaga ang pinapakita ditong volleyball matchup ng dalawang koponan na ito. At para makahingi ng update sa side ng Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. Hi Angel, balitaan mo kami dyan. Ayan, babalikan natin mamaya si Angel for her update. Yun nga, nasabi nga natin dito na umabot tayo sa 5th set. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng set number 5 na ito? Race to 15 na lamang ang ating 5th set. So, kailangan talagang ibigay dito ng dalawang teams na ito ang kanilang lahat upang makuha ang unang panalo dito sa ligang ito. Ayun nga, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng Falcons. Angel, take it away.
Rick and team, we extended to the 5th set of the game. Despite the change of favor, the situation ignited the fire in the hearts of the Lady Falcons. This serves as their reminder to not be complacent because the game is not yet done. And they are still starting to get the win. With the hopes to reclaim the momentum, the Lady Falcons keeps their heads up with the support of their coaches. Will they make a history tonight? Find out only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyones.
Thank you so much, Angel. Ayan nga, makukuha kaya ng USI Falcons ang panalo na ito against the BU Wolves, or the BU Wolves still continue dominating and will get their first win on the season of Bucal. Yan ang ating aabangan dito sa pagpasok ng ating set number 5 and race to 15 na nga lang tayo dito.
Ayan, race to 15 na lang nga. So, let's see kung sino ang unang makaka-build ng momentum dito sa ating 5th set. At para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng Bicol University Lady Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Kayla. Hi, Kayla. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. We are now on the last set of this matchup at nanumbalik nga muli ang sigla ng Lady Wolves dahil nakuha nila ang 4th set sa score na 25-7. I heard them saying, atin to. Kaya naman talagang sila ay bumawi. Indeed, learning from your past mistakes will help you to bounce back stronger. Coaches remind them to stay consistent dahil nasa 5th set na ang matchup na to. Ibigay na lahat para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo for this season. Ayan muna for now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kayla. Ayun nga, kailangan maging consistent on the side of the BU Wolves to get this set number 5 and get their first win against the USI Falcons for the BU Wolves. They just need to be consistent and lessen their errors now that we are on the set number 5. At para naman sa ating statistics, Rick.
Ayan, ang ating set for statistic nga. Abante ang attacks ng BU Wolves, 9 kontra 2 ng USI Falcons. At dito naman sa ating errors, talagang ang daming nagawang error dito ng USI Falcons. Meanwhile, on the side of the Wolves na minimize nilang kanilang error, that's why sila ang nakakuha ng 4th set na yon. So, let's go on our 5th set para malaman kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo dito sa hapon na ito.
Now, this is the decision game between these two teams. No more room for errors now. They just need to do their best. Now, again, this is road to 15. Valderrama to start the set number 5. Zoilo getting the first point for the side of the Lady Wolves here. More cheering on their side because this is our last game. Medyo napahaba nga itong laro ng BU Wolves and Lady Falcons. Now Valderrama to serve again. Another point for the side of the BU Wolves here. The Lady Falcons needs to double their effort now. Valderrama again. Too much power on that serve. So a bonus point was given on the side of the Lady Falcons. Now Javier to serve.
Valderrama. And jersey number 16, Oli. Hindi dito matatawid ang bola. That's why we are all tied up at 2. Another tight set para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
Yes, of course, parehong kapunan na ito. Gustong manalo. And got their first win. Now, Valderrama sets it up. And the Falcons got that point. Now, again, buhay na buhay muli yung kupunan nitong USI Falcons. They needed this time, while the BU Wolves is also really ready to take on the game. Javier with an error, getting a bonus point on the side of the BU Wolves. Now a loud cheer for both teams because they really want to win this game. Now Ramirez tied on 3. Another point for the BU Wolves. Fast pace for our set number 5. Now Ramirez again on the line to serve.
Na nakikita nga natin dito ang angasan sa loob ng court between the players of these both teams. Talagang intense na intense ang matchup na ito. Now free ball ang ibibigay sa Wolves. Valderrama sa ating per teammate. Ball is still alive. Realike to Olpina. Buhay pa dito ang bola.
Now, the intensity of the game is now rising as we are now going to an end for our set number 5. Now Ramirez to serve.
Now Olpina will give a free ball. Valderrama hahanapin ang corner na yon. Ayan, Valderrama specialty ang paghulog sa zone 5 para dito sa ating laro.
Yan, tatlo na nga ang kalumangan agad ng ating BU Wolves on our set number 5. Barosa will go for the Lady Falcons. Now Ramirez again to serve. 3-point away against the Falcons. And that's an ace coming from Ramirez. Now just a point away for our win para dito sa ating Lady Wolves. Ramirez again. Falcons still fighting for their spot. Now Olpina.
Now Olpina on the deck to serve para dito sa Falcons. Now chance for the Falcons to score. Olpina straight to the net attack. Crucial error for Olpina.
Now change ends tayo for serving 8 in favor of the BU Wolves. Now just 7-point away until the BU Wolves get this win against the Lady Falcons. What a long night, but still, they're alive and getting this win. Mahirap talaga malaman kung sino ba makakakuha ng panalong ito, as both teams gustong makuha ang panalong ito.
Ayan, Teen, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audiences here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court na up until now is talagang nakatutok at sumusuporta para dito sa last match na ito. So ayan, magpapatuloy na nga ang ating set number 5.
Now Zoilo to serve. But a very crucial error. The USI Falcons have a chance here to add a point on their team. Mandaso.
Rojas, soft touch. Chance for the Falcon to score. Lialike. Pero masyadong napalakas yung palabit na yon ni Lialike. That's why the point will automatically go on the side of the Bicol University Lady Wolves.
They are near to an end. Just 6 points away. Itong ating BO Wolves is Ollie. Point coming from Valderrama. Now let's see how far will they go here. No. Kaya Like, papalitan dito ni Bautista. Now, Ollie to serve. Live here. Rojas again. Too much power. Falcons now. They need to tighten their defense. Falcons to serve now. Rojas to try. Ball is still alive here. This time it's outside. Four point away ang ating BU Lady Wolves.
All goes well para dito sa Lady Wolves. Kaya naman mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang USA Falcons. So nawala nga dito yung momentum ng USA Falcons na nailipat naman on the side of the Lady Wolves. So talagang unpredictable ang larong ito. And let's see kung kaya pa bang habulin ito ng Falcons or will the Lady Wolves get their first win here sa Bucal Season 5 Women's Volleyball Division.
Yes, 12 serving 6. 3 puntos na lamang dito ang kailangang habulin ng PU Wolves to get this win against the Lady Falcons. While the Lady Falcons, kung gusto nilang makuha itong panalong ito, kailangan pa nilang paigtingin ang kanilang communication as well as their floor defense as we are now approaching the end of set number 5. Now, Granadillos to serve. Rojas with strong attack. Javier now sets up. 1-2 play by Valderrama. Now Javier para dito kay Barossa. And attitude coming from the Falcons. Dahil hindi pa nga tapos ang laban. Hindi man kailangan nilang habulin dito. 12 serving 7. Now, Rojas. Too strong for that one. Straight 2 points para dito sa ating USI Falcons. 12 serving 8. Well, the Falcons, hahabol ba dito? Pero medyo napalakas na yan. Very crucial error for them. Dahil dalawa na lamang ang hinahabol o kailangan ng BU Lady Wolves to get this win. Rojas. That's it. We are on the match point. One more point and the BU Wolves will go home with their win against the Falcons. Rojas. Now, Ulpina. Valderrama sets it up for Zoilo. Ball still live here. Valderrama now. Barosa ngayon na-atake. You have a long rally here. Ulpina. Hindi pa tapos. Because the Falcons still alive. Pero titignan natin kung makahabol pa ba ng Falcons yan dahil isa na lamang ang kailangan dito ng BU Wolves. Now, Barosa. Valderrama to Zoilo. They're still live here. Zoilo again. Free ball. Now, Javier sets it up to Ulpina. And the rally continues here tonight. Fight for the last point. And that's it. Nakuha nga ng PU Wolves ang kanilang unang panalo for this season of Bucal. Still a great game between these two teams para dito sa ating set number 5. Congratulations to BU Lady Wolves. And again, congratulations also sa ating USI Falcons for giving us a good fight. Sa ating pagbabalik po, makikilala po natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
our best player of the game is brought to you by ACLC Naga, the senior high school that is absolutely free. At Dugong BU Lady Wolves nga ang nangibabaw for this game. Here with me is the best player of the game, jersey number 9 with 26 excellent set, 2 service aces, and 6 points. She is none other than Miss Aleja Valderrama. Hello, Aleja, grabe yung pinakita nyo against the USI Falcons. Ano naman yung nararamdaman mo sa una yung panalo for this season?
Sobrang grateful po kasi papunta dito sobrang hassle kami kasi nag-commute kami like ilang rides kami papunta dito and yun nag-pay off lahat ng pagod namin since day one na nag-training kami and ngayon na first game namin which is panalo kami ngayon.
Ngayon naman dahil kanina sa third and fourth set, ano ba yung naging adjustment mo para makatulong ka sa team mo para makabawi kayo?
Mas tig-motivate ko sila as seniors naman talaga na parang ilaro lang nila yung laro nila and ilaro ko din yung laro ko and yun motivation lang talaga sa kanila.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano kakagaling, grabe binuhos mo lahat para sa team. Ano ba yung personal motivation or yung personal mindset mo na nakatulong sa'yo for this game?
Personally, kasi I'm a graduating student na, this is the last time na mag-travel ako, maglalaro, anyan. And grabe din yung adjustment ko sa time, lalo na may OJT din ako. Kaya every game talaga is a championship game for me. Yun.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Ayan, thank you po sa lahat ng support, sa mga nasolicit namin ng Team BU. And sa Team B House, Team Gatol, kay Mama, kay Papa, laging supportive, kay Kuya Ben. And yun, sa mga friends ko na OA. At saka yung mga inside the court, yung mga nandito sa court na laging nag-aaleha-aleha. Yun po, thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 9, Miss Aleja Valderrama. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulya. Balik sa inyo, Rekentin.
Best player of the game, jersey number 9, Aleja Valderrama with 26 excellent sa 2 service aces and 6 points. And again, congratulations sa ating BU Wolves for getting their first win. And of course, congratulations din sa napakagandang performance na ibinigay sa atin ng ating USI Falcons.
Ayan, team, grabe talaga itong last game na nangyari. Talaga umabot tayo sa extended 5th set. Talaga naman, sulit na sulit ang panunod ng ating mga live audiences and live viewers sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and also on our live viewers sa ating Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Thank you so much po sa support at abangan natin ang mga laro bukas dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. More actions tomorrow po. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.